The goal of researchers from the University of São Paulo is to develop a therapeutic vaccine for use against HPV-related cancers. Human papillomavirus is sexually transmitted and causes skin lesions, which in the long term can lead to various types of cancer, mostly in the cervix and genitals. Unlike the existing HPV vaccine, which works as a preventive measure, this treatment could help the body fight cancerous cells which are already formed.
Ele tem como objetivo
The goal is to generate a response from the immune system, so it can recognize the cancerous cells which are already in the body and eliminate them. This vaccine could be effective against these cancers without the harsh side effects that chemotherapy and radiotherapy have.
The research has focused on cervical cancer, the most common cancer associated with HPV. After lab results using mice proved promising, preliminary tests with humans have begun, and large-scale clinical trials are anticipated.
New treatments are always welcome, but another relatively simple measure could help prevent most HPV-related cancers altogether: HPV vaccination. The problem is that many parents resist giving their children the vaccine, ideally in their pre-teen years, well before they become sexually active.
The senior public health officer says some parents fear the current vaccines may encourage children to begin their sexual life earlier.
In Brazil, we have a small group that tries to persuade parents talking about the safety. There are a lot of fake news around this vaccine, which is really safe.
Duane Medeiros brought her 9-year-old daughter for the first dose and says she'll return for the second shot in 6 months.
I have 3 daughters and I'm very careful to give their vaccines timely. All the vaccines, they are important no matter which.
Modern science can do a lot to help fight disease, but scientific information and cultural support can go a long way toward keeping people healthy. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, São Paulo.